Hey guys, welcome back. Did you know that a simple WhatsApp call could reveal more information than most people realize? Right now, there's a privacy feature inside WhatsApp that many users have never heard about. In certain situations, someone calling you on WhatsApp may be able to obtain information related to your IP address. From that information, they could potentially estimate your general location. The surprising part is that you don't even have to answer the call. Today, I'm going to show you 3 privacy settings that take less than 2 minutes to change and can help make your WhatsApp account more secure. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Go to Apps and find WhatsApp. Tap on Permissions. You'll see several permissions that make sense, such as notifications and contacts. But there's one permission that most people never pay attention to. It's called Nearby Devices. This permission allows WhatsApp to discover and connect to nearby devices using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It's mainly used for features like sharing files with people nearby. But if you never use nearby file sharing, there's really no reason to keep this permission enabled. Tap Nearby Devices and select Don't Allow. Don't worry, WhatsApp will continue to work normally. You'll still be able to send messages, share photos and videos, and make calls without any issues. Now let's move on to the second setting. Go back and this time tap on Photos and Videos. Many people have WhatsApp set to access their entire photo library. If you're using Android 14 or newer, there's a better option. Change the permission from Full Access to Limited Access. This allows WhatsApp to access only the photos and videos you choose to share, instead of your entire gallery. It's a simple change that gives you much more control over your privacy. Now for the most important setting. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Tap Privacy. Scroll down and select Advanced. Here, you'll find a feature called Protect IP Address in Calls. If it's turned off, enable it right now. Why does this matter? By default, some WhatsApp calls may establish more direct connections between devices. Enabling this feature routes calls through WhatsApp servers, making it harder for others to obtain information related to your IP address. It's one of the best privacy features WhatsApp offers, yet most users never turn it on. And that's it. 3 important privacy upgrades, and the best part is that you don't lose any of WhatsApp's essential features. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more privacy, security, and tech tips that actually make a difference. Thanks for watching.